So it's day 6 of posting a song every day until I hit 1,000 followers, and it's Thursday, and I felt like we needed a happy song to get through the week. And this song's not done, and to be honest, at first it's not happy, but if you stick with me, I think I'll deliver. It takes a couple hard months to see a good one. It takes a couple dark days before a bright one. But when the good times come your way, they won't take long at all to fade away. It takes a couple bad cars before a good one. A couple rundown homes before the last one. Will the good times be here to stay, or will it all just be another day? 'Cause when it all changes, there's no strength that could take it away from you. It's what you needed, and it's a good day.